He says, is this what I'm in for? He says, uh-oh. Have to mark me some territory here. Here's the most beautiful lady in the whole world there.
Hey, darling. I love you.
And pork chop, go get that guy. Come back here, come back here. Man, it must have rained up a slew because that thing was totally empty.
Wow.
When David Gregory was here yesterday.
I didn't know it rained all that much.
Oh, there you go.
Good.
Oh, our first Pookie here. Pookie does his first Pookie. Okay, let's check out the Pookie.
We got it on camera too.
Zoom in.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, my battery's flashing.
The last thing we have is a dog taking a dump.
Oh, but it's a pretty dog. What do we call the doggy? Chrissy, come check this out.
Pork chop. Come here, Betty. Come here. Come here. Come on. Hey, it's a big old world out here.
Here's our new little car. The Saturn, it's a 94. Okay, this is one of Willie's first ventures out by himself. I don't want to take him back. They're not as good as the ones inside the box. I'm going to try them at church and see if I'm more impressed there. I'm going to try them at church. Oh, Willie doing his business. Whoop, there's one. He's on the move when he does it. Oh, we had to love on Willie when he comes back in. I just had a tangerine. I just had a tangerine.
You did good, Willie.
Oh, there he is. He's already in
You
here.
did good.
Yeah, that's a good dog. Yeah.
You're a good boy.
Yeah, give that guy a treat.
Good boy. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, he gets a treat.
Oh, my goodness. Daddy's going to get you on the camera. Oh, yes. Look at that little baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, give me some puppy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
There's a beautiful lady.
Hey, darling.
And there's another good dog.
Oh, yeah. Ooh,
Low battery.
Ooh.
We had the people over.
Huh?
And we had the people over today. Had the big table set. And the pretty Christmas tree. And our little aquarium. Big fish that came out of Mama's pond. Oh, Pretty got her a treat too. We just put down 96 pansies. You better get her bunny back in here. Willie, you're going to have a lot more liberty now that you got this straightened out. Okay, here we have Samson Clark and Willie Eshelman. Willie, you'll be fit for arrest here in a minute, aren't you? Willie, leave that alone. Here's JW early in the morning. He's had a wonderful hair day. Here's the queen. Something.
Hey, no. He did my hair today.
Wow thing.
Wait, let's go
Dun, dun, dun. Here are these guys locked in the bathroom at 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh, we gotta go check out the door.
Shaving cream on their face, lipstick on their face.
Peek through the door here. Let's see. Let's see who's in the bathroom now. Peeking through the door. Who is in there? Oh man, nobody's in the bathroom. Misty got locked in here. I had to take the lock off. Where did I put that lock thing? 3 o'clock in the morning, kids running around. There's Willie getting some attention. Willie, where's Willie? You better not be messing around that office back there.